Pretty accurate, his foot down, pretty accurate angle of what the coffin bone is. A little bit. I really don't think it's sunk at all though. You'd see that this up here by the coronary band would be pretty indented and straight. Oh, it's really dried up, dead sole right here. Shout out to Salcido knives. These things are pretty dry feet. Jeez. Like he doesn't even really know it exists. But this heel is making it so he's standing completely wrong. He's standing back on his bulbs. Really need to tear after these commissures. There we go. Until I have 60% of the foot behind the point of the frog and 40 in front. So there's my 60.
Tendons are kicking in.
What? This one's really nice. Really friendly animal. To his owner. Yep. Don't know what else to tell you. I mean, it's not my we just back, and I don't even know who the owner is. We show up to the horseshoeing school with. Okay, I'm getting closer and closer. Right now I'm at a 60, about at a 50-50 right now. Really wasn't any depth left in the bottom of the foot. So when you run out of depth in the bottom, you can break. Just kind of going and be 60 in front, 60 in back, 40 in front. Horse has a floppy foot.